Alright, hi. Welcome to HL Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Transformers Yolo Park Optimus Prime. This is my first video, so I'm not really ever done anything like this. Let's just get started. So I will show you the box at least. I haven't opened this yet. As you can tell, here's the box. Pretty cool ass box, I think. Let me show you the back. Got the image of what it looks like there, all put together. Got this image here showing the bits that are made of die-cast, I assume. Alright, let's get this open. This will take probably a couple seconds. Ooh, that is loud. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks... that looks so good. Alright. Oh, okay. It's a... Oh, wow. Alright, I'm just gonna... Wow, that looks so good. This is my first time impression seeing this, so I have not opened this yet. I'm very excited to see what this looks like. What's the back look like? Oh, nothing special, just Optimus Prime. Oh wow, these are like, I don't know if you can tell, but they're kind of like, not printed on, what's the word? Embossed? Wow, that's kind of cool. Oh, there's sticky tape on this, are you kidding? 1 second, I will grab something to open this. Alrighty, there we go. Let's get this open. Oh, open upside down. That's not smart. Alright, here we go. Put the box down here. Alright, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Oh, there is. So we've got this. Thank you for ordering the. Thank you for choosing the Yolo Park or whatever. Got a QR code here. Instagram, Facebook. It's fine. Also have this pretty neat looking. I want to say it looks like an instruction book, but it looks fantastic. Ah, here we go. Instruction book. Well, don't really think we'll need this, but it's pretty neat to have. Got to show the features there. Anything on the other side? Just the same, but in different. It's like put together. It's the base for it. All right. Well, there's instructions. Don't really need that. All right. Let's have a look at this. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is the accessories and the base. Okay, alright, let me just 1 second. Alright, got that off. So for starters, we've got the base here. Wow, this actually looks pretty detailed. Very nice. Put that to the side. We've got the stand adjustment piece. And we got this cool little Autobot insignia symbol. Oh, that looks very nice. It's hard to get out. What are these? These look like these legs. I don't know, but pretty nice detailing. You got some weathered effects here, or damage. Painted on, very nice. Got this nice like blue color to them as well. Very nice. We've got some more bits. These look like, actually don't know what these look like. He's, bits for his legs as well. I don't know. More bits, as you can see. A lot of bits. Let me just get all this other stuff and I'll get back, show you the rest. We've got, oh wow. We've got his, what was this? The, well, I'm gonna say his iconic weapon, the Ion Blaster. I think that is what it's called. Pretty decent size, actually. Like, this is my hand. Like, it's pretty big. Again, we've got some painted damage here, or detail. Weathered detail look. That's, again, pretty nice. Put that over there. I've seen this. We've also got this neat little Megatron pistol. Very cool. I believe you get the figure can actually hold this. That's actually pretty neat. Really detailed looking. Let's see. That is all the... And I believe this is the figure itself. Let me just get this off. Oh, wow. This... Let me just be careful not to drop anything. Here is the... actually... That... Wow, there's quite a lot here. I was not expecting this. Alright, okay. Wow. Oh my... This... I'm just gonna grab the head first. Just put that to the side. Alright, here's the head. Focus. Oh wow, this looks incredible. Like the small detail on the well, the head there. The blue is just so nice. I heard this has a light up feature. I'm not sure how to do that. I think there's a magnet in the gun. Alright, doesn't matter. Alright, here's the head. Pretty nice. I will try to put this together. Not sure how long this will take. Probably like fast forward or whatnot this part in editing or something like that. Got the torso here. Yeah, this is die-cast for sure. This is metal. Very nice. Got like a bit of... it's fine. Wow, this looks... Even though it's just, like, the detail is just so nice. How does this open? It's fine. I'm going to try putting this together now. Let me just get all the bits here. Here's little hand. These are, I think, somewhat articulated hands. I believe that the thumb, yeah, this is, it's got a little joint about right there. Little joint on the thumb. Got a little hinge joint on the finger here, and these are all one joint as well, like, it's like that. Let's see, like, get him pointing. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, of course. What is an Optimus Prime without the matrix of leadership? This, oh wow, look at the detailing on that, even though it's so small. Nice gold and silver. Got the nice blue there. Very nice. I might like make this out of a necklace and just like wear it. This is actually pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna put that over here. I am going to try assembling this. See you back later, I guess. And alright, here he is all done. So, the build wasn't too bad. There were some complicated steps. But once I got it all sorted out, went together pretty easily. So yeah, here is the Yolo Park Transformers 40th anniversary Optimus Prime. As you can see, we got some pretty nice detailing here. Almost dropped it. Let me just readjust this. There we go. In fact, let me bring the camera closer so you can get a better look. There we go. Alrighty. So yeah, the accessories, we have the Ion Blaster. I tried pegging it into his hand. It didn't really work all that well. It's like a little peg right there, if you can see that. He's got his Energon axe. Very nice. Very simple. Just peg it into the move the hand. And show you. And now he has no hand. and this should just go in like that. And now he's got an axe hand. Rah. He's a bit like front heavy because of these diecast bits. But these feet here are not very good for balancing on the surface I'm using, or you look kind of awkward standing. Not quite sure if I got all the legs tabbed in all the way. I'll double check after I'm done. So yeah, details, we've got the Autobot logo on his shoulder here. Very nice detailing on the smokestack here. Got some withered bits all over. Very nice detailing. The bits that are die-cast I should go over. These toes here, these are die-cast metal. These are metal as well. We also got the chest. Yeah, this is metal. Here is a few nice details. Very nice detailed backpack. More weathered effects there. Very nice. I should say the price of this. This was about 100 Australian dollars from Australia, so I paid about $100 for this. I pre-ordered it back in like February this year. I just saw the picture of like the art on the back, and I was just like, yep, that looks amazing. So I just pre-ordered it there, and I'm not really a huge fan of Transformers, but I do love Optimus Prime. He's like very cool looking, and this was like probably the coolest design I've ever seen of a G1 Optimus, just because of how detailed it is. Here's his hand. Let's put that there. He's the little Transformers Megatron. See if I can get this in his hand real quick. Oh, this is a lot harder than it looks. Nope. Alright, never mind. Anyway, here's that. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so I think this has been my, well, not a review, unboxing video of the Yolo Park Transformers Optimus Prime. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See ya.